What's up, what's up, what's up, YouTube? What's going on? We are here in Chicago today, and boy, is it cold out there. Anyways, we still gotta work. We still gotta make deliveries. So I hope you enjoy this quick little delivery just to show you guys what I'm dealing with here in Chicago in the sub-zero weather. Anyways, don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for the feedback. And now to the delivery. Roll it! Did you guys really think that was gonna be a simple delivery? Third floor, baby. We're in Chicago. This one's up. Come on, let's go. Keep up, cameraman. Let's go. We're on the clock here. Switch it off. All right, Adrian? Yep. All right, so we're gonna pick up right here. Let me get on the first step. If you get it like this from the strap and kind of like, all right, you ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3, up. And, oh, my foot's in the push back. There we go, baby. There we go. You ready? Yep. And 1, 2, 3, go. 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 And we're on the railing, be careful. All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
You okay?
Yep, set it down. I think we came off the dolly. All right, we're back on the dolly.
You're good.
Okay, first step. You ready?
Whenever you are.
1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. Okay, start spinning. So, in the city of Chicago, $800,000 condos don't get you elevators. You gotta drop at least $1 million, or $1.2 million, and then you get an elevator.
You set a step.
Yeah, I'm on it. Is that a good position for you, or is that too close?
No, I'm gonna get up inside here, okay?
You say when?
1, 2, 3, up.
All right, ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Push back. Lean it back.
Where do you want to set it?
In that hallway. But we're gonna use these tarps, the welcome mats. All right, we're gonna cut this because we're here, but I got another surprise for you. And a very special shout out to those of you who were smart enough to stay in school or get certificates and work from home. I envy you these days. But in the summertime, I'm laughing at you. Peace. All right, go ahead. What's the surprise? We got one going down.
I'm just gonna spin it around. Just
Okay.
this way. You got space there?
Right there. Hold it. Hold it. Go ahead.
Pull you out a little bit.
Go ahead. Can you like lift and tilt it back towards me?
Yeah.
Go ahead. And pull. There you go. All right. Here we go. Right there. Good.
One more here.
Go ahead.
Hold on one second. Yeah.
Or you
I'm
want
gonna
to
grab the strap.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
You what do you want?
Come
What
on
do
down.
we,
You
are we
push it a little
going
bit.
down?
Yeah, you push me.
Okay. Ready?
Go ahead. There you go. You good?
Is it gonna make the turn?
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Yeah, we're good.
Nice.
I'll pull you.
Very good. Right there. Hold it down and I will spin.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna be a lot better coming down.
Are we gonna be so lucky?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead. Ready? We're gonna make it with the dolly button?
Yeah. I see what you're saying. Dolly, no bueno.
I can't turn it right now. Back up. All right, 1, 2, 3, up.
Right there, I got you now. You're gonna make your turn,
Okay, hold it, hold it. Let me reposition.
and I'm gonna have to grab the strap for you, okay?
Okay. Ready? 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. There it goes. Go ahead, tilt.
It's a flat surface, so we got it. We can go all the way down.
And down. Who said going down was easier? Okay, we're on that. We're gonna come back up. Let's go. Ain't nothing to it, but do it, baby.
I got you again. Spin here.
Hold, 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 hold. Hold, hold. And go.
Good.
Tip it back. I got you.
Okay, same drill here.
All right, watch your knee. Ready? Lift and pull, like you're tilting it back, and pull. There you go. All right, you got that front.
Yep.
I'm gonna lift over here and turn. Go. Turn, 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 turn. Here comes the lift. There we go. Go. that in the way?
You're good.
All right, right there. Stop. Stop film.
Leave it on the dolly your car.
Yeah, throw the handles right here. You need that number? Yeah. Or is it in the bottom or the top? Special thanks to my new cameraman, Dennis No Nuts